Sam Altman just announced that artificial general intelligence, or AGI, could arrive within the next 3 years. Not narrow AI that writes emails or edits photos, but machines that think and reason like humans. And 99% of people are completely unprepared for what's coming. Welcome to Zentic, where we break down artificial intelligence and future technology, so you can navigate what's next with clarity. Today we go deep. This is your roadmap to understanding where AI is headed in the next 24 to 36 months, and what it means for your money, your career, your skills, and your life. First, multimodal AI. The newest models no longer generate only text. They process images, video, audio, and code inside one unified system. Upload a photo of your fridge. The AI identifies ingredients, generates recipes, creates a shopping list, and even produces a cooking video. All from one prompt. This changes how humans interact with computers. For decades we used keyboards and mice. Now we use conversation. An architecture firm used AI to analyze blueprints, check zoning laws, generate renderings, and build a client presentation in under 2 hours. Work that once took days. Second, autonomous AI agents. These are not chatbots. They are digital workers that complete tasks from start to finish. You give them a goal. They break it into steps, execute across platforms, fix errors, and report back when finished. Companies are already using agents to research competitors, build spreadsheets, send emails, and manage workflows automatically. Some companies replaced hundreds of support agents with AI systems handling most inquiries. Response times dropped. Efficiency increased. If your job depends on repetitive processes, automation is accelerating toward you. But strategy, empathy, and leadership remain human strengths. Third, AI-generated media is becoming indistinguishable from reality. Video models create cinematic clips from simple prompts. Voice cloning can replicate anyone from seconds of audio. Image generators produce visuals experts struggle to detect as fake. This creates opportunity, but also risk. Misinformation can scale globally at unprecedented speed. Your defense is media literacy. Verify sources. Question emotional content. Build trust through authenticity. Fourth, the job market is polarizing. High-skill strategic roles increase in value. Mid-level knowledge jobs are shrinking. Global reports estimate millions of jobs displaced this decade, but millions of new roles will emerge. They require different skills. If you are in a replaceable tier, you must adapt. Upgrade your skills or shift toward automation-resistant work. Fifth, AI companions are reshaping relationships. Millions interact daily with AI for emotional support. These systems remember your history and adapt to your mood. But AI simulates empathy. It does not truly care. Use these tools as supplements, not substitutes. Human relationships remain irreplaceable. Sixth, healthcare is transforming rapidly. AI diagnostic systems now match or exceed doctors in specific tasks. Drug discovery timelines are shrinking. Personalized medicine is becoming reality. Earlier detection, better outcomes, longer lifespans. This may be one of the most powerful uses of AI. Seventh, regulation is behind. Technology accelerates exponentially, while policy moves slowly. There is no global AI governance standard. Safety frameworks are still evolving. Alignment and responsible development must accelerate alongside capability growth. Eighth, the skills that will matter most. AI literacy, critical thinking, creative direction, emotional intelligence, adaptability. Do not try to outwork AI. Learn to guide it. The winners of this era will collaborate with intelligent systems. AI is not a distant future. It is the present. The next 24 months will define the next decade of your life. You can react after disruption or prepare before it arrives. Learn the tools. Develop the skills. Position yourself early. The future is being written right now. The only question is whether you will shape it or be shaped by it. If this brought clarity, subscribe to Zentic. We track the AI revolution in real time. Stay sharp. Stay curious. Stay ahead. I will see you in the next one.